Get that field roll. Touchdown. Pay attention, fellas. Go. Can't complain about me. It's the matchup I want right here. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Keep that camera rolling. Keep that camera rolling. What? What's your fault? Look at this shit. You see this shit right into my wrist? Hey, when I run that field back, I can't get excited. But you know what we're going to do about this? Run back. We're going to run it back. All right. My turn, Lego. It's going to happen. It's gonna happen. Oh, it's gonna happen. Oh, it's gonna happen. Go on. I told you, fuck. Hey, get that camera rolling. Go. Oh my goodness. He lost you. What I said. Hey, you still hold. It don't matter what you do. That's a big catch. Way to come back to that ball too, boy. You got it. Go. He lost already. He lost already. He said good call, coach. Here you go. Touchdown. Good round. Hey, it's called KYP. Tell me what KYP stand for. He said, what he said, say it out loud for.
Know your personnel.
Know your personnel. Let's go. All the way. Go. Don't give up on the eight. Oh, shit. Oh my fucking God! Oh my God, that's a fucking beat! I give credit where it's due. Here we go. Shit, zoom in. Come on! Bring your last on! Stop all that shit!
I want somebody to edit.
Hey, you think Archie will take it later? Alright, ask him. Okay, but let's make it happen. Let's make the light come on. Let's make the light come on. Let's make the light come on. Hey, what I said? Let's make the damn lights come on. Oh, man. That's my parlay, baby. That's my parlay. Let's turn the lights on.
We picking on you, lady. Hey, James,
They locked in, ain't they?
I'm into this on there.
Now! Got your seat. What? What? I told you what I do, and that's what he gonna do. What? This is it. Go.
That's what
Y'all trying to keep me from getting my helmet. You start charging y'all for it. Take it. What I said?